Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another severe weather update here on Liam's Weather. I am forecaster Liam Kenny, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the severe weather outlook for the rest of the day today, overnight tonight, into tomorrow, and also the forecast for your upcoming week. Please be sure that if you are brand new to my YouTube channel, that you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and also be sure to click that like button if you are enjoying the content. First, taking a look at our satellite imagery, you can see a massive upper level low here that's right over the U.S.-Canadian border. And this was the system that did bring all these severe weather to the Midwest over the course of the day yesterday. It still has a little bit of juice behind its back, and that is why over the course of today we still have a very minor chance for severe weather across portions of New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and also into Maine as well. Over the course of the night tonight, you can see right here as I pull up the satellite imagery back once again. Let me get my pen out right here. Here's our main upper level low that is currently developing as we speak over the Colorado Rockies. And over the course of the next several hours, overnight tonight and into your day tomorrow, it's going to eventually transition itself eastward into portions of the Mississippi Valley and Ohio Valley as well. And that is what is going to make our chance for severe weather overnight tonight and into your day tomorrow as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the exact places that are going to be potentially seeing this severe weather as we head over the course of the night tonight. Anywhere we see this red area, that is going to be your enhanced risk for severe weather. Anywhere in north central Arkansas into southeastern Missouri, all the way into extreme western Tennessee, and also Kentucky as well. That is where we have the best chance for severe weather tonight. Areas in particular include Polar Bluff, Jonesboro, Batesville, Russellville, and multiple other locations as well. As you go ahead and zoom out into the red area, that does include Fayetteville, McAllister, Parrish, Sherman, Texarkana, Little Rock, Memphis, Jackson, all the way up into Paducah, Evansville, and also all the way up into Cincinnati as well. And then obviously anywhere in the darker green area, that is where we have the marginal risk for severe weather as well. As far as look at the tornado outlook over the night tonight, this is going to be your 10% chance anywhere in this dark brown right here. Once again, Russellville, Jonesboro, Polar Bluff, all these areas here in northeastern Arkansas and southeastern Missouri have the best chance for tornadoes over the night tonight. As you work your way into the lighter orange area, that's going to be your 5% chance. Evansville, Paducah, Little Rock, Fayetteville, all these areas are going to be in that 5% risk. And the last but not least, anywhere in the green risk, that's going to be your 2% chance going all the way from Cincinnati southwestward, all the way down towards Sherman as well. Here's a look at your damaging wind outlook. It's kind of the exact same areas in the category risk for severe weather. Obviously here's your 30% chance, here's your 15% chance, and then here's your 10% chance right here. So mainly I would focus on this general area right here. Once again, in the darkest red, the enhanced risk for severe weather over the night tonight. Now, let's go ahead and switch over to Weather Bell and time this out. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the future radar here on Weather Bell and time this out for you. Please know that your timing right here is going to be right over here on the left-hand side of your screen. So in case you're wondering what time I'm moving the radar at, just look right over here and it'll tell you the exact date and time that I'm currently showing you right now on your screen. It really doesn't look like much right now on the radar, just a couple of scattered showers here in and around Oklahoma, upwards into the Ohio Valley, but the real event doesn't start until this afternoon, this evening, and then eventually into the overnight hours of tonight. So once again, here's our upper level low here currently over the Colorado Rockies, transitioning itself eastward into portions of Oklahoma, Kansas, Arkansas, Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee, all the way up into the Ohio Valley overnight tonight. Here you can go as I time this out for you. Here is 7 o'clock tonight. You can see we went from just nothing to now a full-blown squall line here, going all the way from northeastern Texas throughout eastern Oklahoma into eastern Kansas and southwestern Missouri as well. I know this squall line may not look like much to you, but I promise you, these little cells that are right on the front side of this squall line right here, these are the cells that 99.9% of the time produce the most severe weather when talking about severe weather outlooks. And this isn't just an evening event. This is going to be going on all night tonight and eventually into your tomorrow morning as well. So here it is. We're at 11 o'clock now p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A massive squall line going all the way from eastern Texas into Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, and south central Missouri as well. Not to mention the heavy snowfall on the backside of the system, we could be easily looking at over 3 to 5 inches of snow across portions of Nebraska, Kansas, and northwestern Missouri, and also into Iowa as well. And then eventually, as you head into your tomorrow morning, as you're heading out the door, you could be running into a couple of scattered showers or even thunderstorms anywhere from maybe 1 in the morning to about 4 a.m. Here is 4 a.m. in the morning, and now that squall line heads eastward, and now we're talking about Louisiana, Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and also look at all this heavy snowfall here in northern Missouri, northern Illinois, all the way into the Great Lakes as well. So this is not just going to be an overnight event tonight. This is going to be going all night into tomorrow and then potentially even into your Tuesday as well. And the reason why all this is going to be happening is because our CAPE levels are going to be absolutely through the roof, along with the wind shear. You can see that there is so much wind shear anywhere in this particular area right here. Anywhere we see the dark red, that is where we have the most amount of instability in the atmosphere for tornadoes and severe weather to form. So that is exactly why the Storm Prediction Center has issued that enhanced risk, because we are just so sure that we know severe weather is going to be happening over the course of the night tonight. Here's a look at your CAPE levels. In case you don't know what CAPE is, CAPE stands for Convective Available Potential Energy, and this is basically showing you how much energy there is in the atmosphere that could produce severe thunderstorms over the course of the night tonight. You can see over the course of the night tonight, very high CAPE levels, anywhere from 1100 upwards to 1500, anywhere in northern Louisiana, Arkansas, all the way up into Tennessee and Kentucky as well. So let me go back over here to the satellite imagery. Please, please, please be on very high alert if you live anywhere in these areas right here. Anywhere in the orange and red, please be sure that you stay on very high alert over the night tonight. That you have a way to get those warnings. Please be sure to charge up all your devices, your phones, your iPad, your tablets, whatever. Please be sure that you have multiple ways to get warnings if they are issued. I wouldn't be surprised that over the next several hours, if the National Weather Service goes out ahead and issues either a severe thunderstorm watch or a tornado watch anywhere in this particular area right here in that orange and red, alrighty? So that is going to be it for this video. Please be sure that if you are brand new to my YouTube channel that you smash the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and also be sure to click that like button if you are enjoying the content. If worse comes to worse, if we're looking at a massive outbreak overnight tonight and there's multiple rounds of tornadoes happening, I will try and go live on YouTube and do live coverage with all my radars up. It is my father's birthday today, so I'm not sure if I will be able to make that possible, but please be sure that you are just checking in on my YouTube channel periodically over the course of the next several hours in case I do go live. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I just talked about, please leave them in the comment section down below, alrighty? So that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great rest of your Sunday.